To the right of the chart, we have the all-important offers table. Here we see all the sellers that are offering this particular ASIN. We can also expand this. Now, if we expand, we can see that Amazon is actually selling the product and they're in the buy box. We can see the price, their FBA or FBM status, or in this particular case, Amazon. We can see their ratings, the percentage of the buy box that they're winning, and we can also adjust this to a different time frame. For example, we can add the last 90 days or last 180 days, and we can see that Amazon has won 62% of the buy box in this scenario. We can see the closest delivery date and their stock levels. We can also see the buy box contenders. This ASIN particularly has only one buy box contender because there are no other sellers that are within 3% of the buy box. Let's check out another ASIN where we might find something like that. Notice this ASIN. This ASIN has 16 offers. We can also expand it by clicking on this button here, and we can see all the offers in here. Now, this ASIN has 3 buy box contenders. The yellow highlight is the one that's actually winning the buy box, and the 2 that are blue below are within 3% of the buy box contention. Now, if we want to see any other information points, for example, if we want to sort this alphabetically, we can just click on this and sort this alphabetically. We can sort by price, we can sort by buy box 1, we can sort by ratings and stock levels and delivery date. All these aspects are sortable, and we can see all the information needed up here at the top as well.